Family of a 91-year-old grandfather who died without them by his side after a battle with COVID is now speaking out.
They are hoping that hospitals will revise no-visitor policies, saying they cause even more pain to families and the patients. WGN's Brona Tumulty joins us now from Libertyville with their story. Brona.
Good evening, guys. This story is absolutely heartbreaking, and it is one that many families watching will be familiar with. Bob McGuinness passed away inside of Advocate Condell Hospital behind me about 2 weeks ago. His family is so grateful for all the help that the staff there gave him, all the care that they gave him, but they've written to the board here asking that the hospital's no-visitor policy be revised, telling us those fighting this virus, especially the elderly people fighting this virus, need those they love at their bedside.
He's everything to our family, and he should have been surrounded by people that he loved.
Bob McGuinness was a lot of things. He was an army veteran, a world traveller, animal lover, and to some, he was simply the world.
I just miss my dad so much.
Sharon McNally was just 11 when she lost her mum to cancer.
My dad basically became mom and dad to all four of us.
And then he became a granddad to 9, including to Kelly Sheridan.
He was everything, I think, to our family, and in particular to me. This house that we're in right now just holds so many memories.
This 91-year-old jokester was going strong until right before Christmas.
Around the 18th, he started feeling kind of sick.
Sharon ended up taking him to the ER at Advocate Condell Hospital, and Bob was diagnosed with both COVID and pneumonia.
I never thought he wouldn't come out.
He never made it back home, passing away on January 7th.
Every time I walked in, he generally was in his kitchen, and he'd pop through those folding doors and he'd say, "Hi, honey." I'd say, "Hey, Pops." And so now when I come over, he's not there, and it's just so hard.
Family is understandably devastated, but while Bob was in the hospital, they say they weren't able to see him, with the exception of one short visit granted to Sharon just days before he died.
He was asking why he was being left there. He was asking when people were coming to see him and when he was going to get to leave.
They want hospitals to take another look at current policies preventing families from spending time with COVID patients.
If it's intending to stop the spread of COVID, the policy is failing because it's everywhere.
And while they're so grateful to everyone who cared for him, the pain lingers that he took his last breath without his loved ones.
He was with a nurse named Nicole who said that she held his hand. I'm so thankful for her.
Now, we did receive a statement tonight from Advocate Condell Medical Centre. The staff there offering condolences and telling us they're heartbroken for the heartache and the pain Bob's family and so many other families have suffered like this. The statement goes on to say, along with many hospital systems in Illinois and across the country, we have visitor guidelines in place to keep our patients and team members safe and to help reduce the spread of COVID-19. Our care team goes to extraordinary lengths and uses technology to help keep patients connected with their loved ones when in-person visits aren't possible. Now, we checked in tonight with several other health systems, including North Shore University Health System and Rush. The policies are more or less the same across the board, with no visitors for COVID patients, but some accommodations being made in special circumstances on a case-by-case basis. We're live in Libertyville tonight. Brona Tumulty, WGN News.
A lot of people relayed, Brona, thank you.